take a walk up top here. We're going to find a vantage point to shoot the old Rossi RS22. Fantastic rifle. I have a couple of them. My brother has a couple of them. And they are awesome. So, out in the distance there, I get two steel targets. So I'm going to take like a sniper position. But today at the range, we have the infamous Rossi RS22, 22LR. And I have a little scope on it. I don't think I paid more than $30 for this. I don't really know the brand. V-Life. It says V-Life on it. 4x32. It barely fits on here for my eye relief that I need. So I barely had enough rail on here. First of all, I apologize for the wind today. Nothing I can do about it. What we are going to do, and you'll see on the video, is we're going to set up and shoot, safety on, sniper style. It's approximately about 100 yards, haven't measured it. But we're going to take some shots and see what happens. Get in a kneeling position. With the Rossi, you do have to, after it locks back, you have to make sure you lock it back manually. There's 10 shots with 10 hits. Do another magazine of 10. See if we can get 10 more hits. I am using a scope, and it is over 100 yards, so, well, it's about 100. So we had 20 shots with 10 hits, and then 10 hits. 10 rounds per magazine. Make sure we're clear, safety on. So anyway, I really hope you enjoy being here today with me at the range. And we're going to be shooting some more video of some 45 ACP. Some kind of remanufactured by a company that's no longer in business. I think they were made in 2012. So we'll have some of that on the channel as well. So check for that video if you want, which will include a TSASH cheap ass 45 ACP 1911A1 GI model. And we're going to compare it with an Auto Ordnance $1,300 1911 stainless steel. And we'll see how they run flat nose bullets. So anyway, with that, thank you very much for watching Shooting with Jabo. And tune in again, and I hope you like my videos. Peace out, brothers. $120 rifle. They were on sale for $99 before this past Christmas also. And I'm telling you, don't hesitate to get one of these. You will enjoy it. And on the odd chance you do have something wrong, Rossi will take care of that. So with that, as we get this big giant ant hill here, you didn't know we had giant ants in Maine, did you? Well, I'm really glad none of them come out now, because I just shot all 20 rounds I had in my pocket. We would be screwed. So with that, thanks a lot for watching this quick little Rossi RS22 long distance sniper video. As there was one time way down there at the beginning of that water, there was a tiny little gopher, and my brother took a shot right from where we're standing and dropped him on one shot. Killed it instantly. Perfect heart long shot with a Rossi. So these rifles are fantastic, very accurate. You can pick off little rocks on the hillside from here. That is how dialed in these get consistently. Highly recommended if you don't have one.